Hey guys, today we sold this Loot Crate exclusive, the Expanse ship. We got this from Christian and Emily, the Savvy Thrifters, and we paid $2 for it at their garage sale, and it sold for $18.99 free shipping. All right, everyone. There's not very many garage sales or estate sales, so hit the Amazon store again. So let's talk about everything we got. So I got 3 of these Von Dutch ladies hats. They sell for $19.99 free shipping. We'll go everything at the end. Got these shower steamers. They sell for $15.99 free shipping. This book sells for $19.99 free shipping. The Frozen video, believe it or not, DVD, the 2 collection, it sells for, I've seen it sold for $22.95 free shipping or $13.90 plus ships. I figure about $19.99 free shipping. These reusable paintballs, they go for like $45 on eBay. They're not selling because they go for $33 on Amazon. I'll probably just do them for $19.99 free shipping, get them out the door. Got this Farron LED lighting kit. That goes for $39, $39.99 free shipping. Could not find this hat. It's an Alfa Romeo Milano 3-in hat. They had a few of those there. I didn't find any really listed, so I decided to get. I'm put $19.99 free shipping, and hopefully the brand does really good. And then I got this fur zapper. It goes for $12.99 free shipping. So when you look at it all, gross sales of about $177.91. After fees, that brings us down to $151.22. Shipping estimated cost of about $42, which brings us down to $109. I paid $54 tax and all for everything, which brings about $55 profit. So I paid $54, make $55, double your money. Not that bad. So once again, another trip to the Amazon Overstock store, and we'll see how it does. All right, good morning. Just had a sale come through, and this one is a bolo for whenever you are out garage sailing. So what we have here is a Sony laptop charger. So you can be a laptop charger. It could be a camcorder charger. Any of those type of chargers, they're fairly expensive, especially the OEM ones. So I paid $1 for this, and I took an offer of $13.99 free shipping. So those, every single one that I've ever had has sold. Sometimes it takes several months because the person needs to find it and it's very specific, but I've never had one not sell, and they all sell for 10, 11, 12, 13 on up, sometimes depending on how current it is. So that is definitely a bolo. Hey guys, guess what? Another thing sold. Xbox 360 Metal Gear Rising at $19.99 free shipping. Only have one left, and these are selling so good. You look back, I wish I would have gotten all the rest of them. There was probably like 10 or 12 more, and I would have made a whole lot more money. But guess what? I'm happy with the 10 that are being sold. All right, hello everyone. If you've been following the channel for a while, you're going to hear the surprising estate sale software find. So it's a lot of software that I just took a gamble on for $5 at an estate sale. Well, we finally sold everything, so let's look at the tally of what we made. So here it is. So from what you can see, actually that's a terrible light. That's even worse light. There we go, that's better. So as you can see, surprising estate sale software find, we paid $5 for it. And once, even including one return for one that didn't work. Actually, it worked, they just couldn't activate it. Profit, $180.97. So I honestly think that profit margin, like profit percentage, how much invested versus how much received, that is the best profit margin we've ever had on eBay. 5 into about $190. 5 into $180. We've made more money on certain items, but never off just a $5 investment. So don't be afraid to take a chance on the old software at an estate sale.
Okay guys, so today I sold this Evike weapons cash card. I got this when I got an airsoft gun from Evike. I posted that on another channel that I have called Copper TV, And I got this, and I ended up selling this for $14.99 plus shipping. I'm not entirely sure what it's for, but I was able to sell it. So there you go.